The year 2020 came to an end and many things changed, including affiliate programs. Then in 2021, which is going to come to an end in a matter of months, the list of the greatest affiliate programs was crying for an update. So if you're looking for a short compilation of the best affiliate programs where you can make money, make sure to stick around and keep watching. But first, this is Upstep Financial, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and switch on notifications so you don't miss any of our new videos. Before we get to the much anticipated list of the top affiliate programs, let us first define and examine what an affiliate program is, and how to choose the best of the best from the numerous programs available today. In the same way that affiliate networks supply you with deals to promote online, affiliate marketing programs do the same. However, unlike the latter, affiliate marketing programs are used by large corporations as supplementary sales channels. People can sign up for these programs, receive a link, and then persuade others to click on their blogs, videos, or review sites. The ref or refer element in these URLs can be used to identify them. Hovering over such links with a mouse button will immediately detect this type of link on landing pages. This option informs the product owner who is responsible for the sale. To effectively manage their firm, the product owner, like any good businessman, must track sales. Isn't it true that you need to know which programs are a waste of time and which are not? Don't worry. Here at Upstep Financial, we've got you covered. We've put together a quick list of things to think about before selecting software. We've also taken care of the tiresome, dull aspect for you by grading several programs and compiling a list of the best. The following top affiliate programs rating is now more than ready for 2021. This list begins with the well-known Affiliaxe. An affiliate is a great option for marketers looking to reach a wide range of industries. This translates to a vast range of items and offers, allowing you to pick and choose where you want to focus your efforts for the best results. Plus, if accepted, you'll get your affiliate manager to help you optimize your traffic and develop a one-of-a-kind bonus scheme to maximize your earnings. It's a favorite among global affiliate marketers because of its easy-to-use platform. After that, we'll go to Elementor. A quality product nearly sells itself, and that's exactly what Elementor's affiliate program can provide. The incredibly popular WordPress website builder has already gained tremendous global popularity, often appearing in the top 15 list of WordPress plugins. So it's no surprise that Elementor is highly popular among affiliates, given their substantial 50% commission per transaction, huge affiliate toolkit of supporting logos and banners, and devoted affiliate team ready to help with any concerns. Then there's DFO Global. You can't go wrong with DFO Global if you're searching for a high-quality affiliate network to work with. You gain access to a diverse choice of e-commerce products in a secure, private, and brand-protected environment, with high coverage offers and high payments as a result. DFO Global, with top-notch data analytics and attentive managers at your disposal, is the way to go for serious affiliate marketers looking for a program worth their time and effort. The Amazon Associates program is an excellent place to start for newbies. Amazon is a terrific place to start for affiliate marketers who are just getting started. The massive Amazon marketplace handles the majority of the sales procedure for you, pre-warming your customers. It is your responsibility to deliver new customers to the Amazon website from external traffic sources. You can pitch millions of products with new ones being added every day. It's a terrific way to make money without having a lot of experience with affiliate marketing. The eBay Partner Network is the next program you should be aware of and consider. Here's a wonderful approach to take advantage of eBay's massive affiliate program. Promote eBay products on social media, your blog, or your website, and earn a commission on every item sold through your link. It's easy to join the eBay Partner Network, and there's never a shortage of fascinating products to advertise, such as hot trending items and daily offers. Now we have one of the oldest and largest affiliate programs on the list, ShareASale. Because ShareASale is one of the largest affiliate networks globally, and has been around for over 2 decades, it has earned a lot of confidence in the affiliate community. The network is popular among marketers and merchants because of its user-friendly design, quick free sign-up, and support for affiliates who manage many websites. In addition, it offers a vast selection of merchants in over 40 categories, including some well-known brands. Hello there. We hope you've been enjoying our video thus far. If you like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up and share your ideas in the comments section below. Your thoughts are valid, and we are happy to hear them. Moving on to the next item on the list, we have GiddyUp. GiddyUp is a great place to start if you want to connect with brands that are both worthwhile and profitable. GiddyUp is all about partner marketing, which is their strategy for forming performance-based alliances. Translation: you and brands will benefit from the outcomes. Because they place a premium on quality, you must be a dedicated affiliate to get accepted and start earning money. If you meet the bill, we strongly advise you to give it a shot. Then there's M4trix Network. Look no further than M4trix Network for exclusive deals and offers in uncommon categories. It's a full-service affiliate network that's not just international, but also pushes profitability to new heights, such as non-saturated markets where you can surpass yourself. The network also has some excellent behind-the-scenes technology to aid in the development of better strategies and real-time performance optimization. Obviously, Clickbank is included on the list. If you want an in-depth discussion about Clickbank, just click the link in the description box, and it will lead you to our previous video about it. Anyway, Clickbank is a popular choice among affiliate marketers, with 6 million digital products in over 20 categories and a global reach of 200 million individuals. Furthermore, this program gives extremely large commissions up to 75%, and Clickbank is known for its consistent and trustworthy payouts, which is a significant plus. Many goods are sold regularly, providing you with a steady stream of revenue and products with upsell options to help you increase your earnings. CJ Affiliate is a great option for our professional marketers. With 300 brands, including many of the world's best names, CJ Affiliate is a terrific program for more experienced marketers. The program has seen a 43% increase in commissions year over year, making it an appealing option. However, you must have a significant quantity of traffic to be accepted, and there are severe guidelines for remaining a publisher. The advanced toolbox may take some time to get used to, but it includes many useful tools for skilled affiliate marketers. PartnerStack is the next item on the list. PartnerStack is a software affiliate program that promotes a variety of well-known and popular software products and applications. According to the corporation, channel partners sell 30% of software, so if your audience has a specific interest in software, there's a lot of opportunity for you here. In addition, you'll benefit from precise analytics and great growth potential because of PartnerStack's focus on forming partnerships between affiliate marketers and product owners. Finally, there's the Fiverr Affiliates program. With over 11 million members in 190 countries, Fiverr advertises itself as the world's largest digital services marketplace. With a CPA of up to $150, Fiverr boasts a substantial commission structure. There's also no referral limit and lifelong attribution. A user-friendly dashboard and a portfolio of creative resources that you can use to promote Fiverr are excellent features of the Fiverr Affiliates program. So some of the heavy jobs are already done for you. Keep in mind that no two affiliate marketers are alike. Different affiliate networks may be better suited to you depending on your audience, niche, and personality. The affiliate programs listed here offer many options from novice to advanced affiliate marketers, but they are only the tip of the affiliate iceberg. Your affiliate marketing journey starts here as you are watching this video. If you want to learn more about affiliate programs, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to be notified whenever a new video is uploaded. This is Upstep Financial, and we'll see you in the next video.